Good evening viewers, Jai Shri Krishna. I hope today you all had very good day. Yesterday I have already shared with you today SBI results are there. The market might be booming. So same the results were, and I hope you all took right trades at right time and you got very good profit today. Let's plan our day for Monday, how it will be. That details I'll be sharing on this. First of all, before starting the video, I would just like to share something with my new viewers. This video or on this channel, I share a time frame for you for the next trading day. That will be on Monday now. That time frame will give you an idea how the market trend will be, and I'll also share range of the market in which it will be rotating. So these both the things will be helpful for you, and this video I am making only for the education purpose. Whatever things I am sharing, that is my team's work, my team's opinion, that is what I am sharing with you. If you want to invest in the market, please discuss or consult with your financial advisor and then only invest in the market. So let's start. First of all, we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it was today. Then all sectors, how they performed, FI, DI data, Astro time frame and the range at the end. So सबसे पहले we'll start with the Nifty. Nifty today opened with a good gap up, that is of 81 points, and overall if you'll see, the range of the Nifty was 205 point, and it gave closing with very positive note. Today when it opened at around 14,987 points, it was at a very good gap up and it tried to sustain over there. But after some time it was consolidating in the range of 40 points for almost 2 to 3 hours. But when SBI results came at around 145, Nifty also got a very good movement and good hike was there in the market, and Nifty gave a closing of 269 points plus, that is of 1.84 percentage, and the number was 15,175. Similarly, if we talk about the Bank Nifty was positive from the starting only. It was in the bullish trend only. Today it opened with 225 points gap up. Overall range, if I'll discuss, if I'll tell you, is 1135, and it was also consolidating around 34,000 after a hike in the starting, and then it was for 3 hours it was also consolidating around 34,000 only. Later on, when around 145 the SBI results were announced, it got a fuel, as if it got a fuel, and now the engine started and it ran almost 600 points in that 145 time span to 330 time span. So that was a very good move for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and they gave a closing, Nifty gave a closing of around 34,666. So both were Nifty and Bank Nifty gave very good closing. And if we talk about the sector wise, so sector wise, if you'll see, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Finarciv, Nifty PSU, Nifty Realty, these are all sectors which gave very good closing and above 1%. If in Bank Nifty, if you'll say 3.81%, Nifty PSU, if you'll see 3.82%, Nifty PSU is 3.8%, and Nifty Finarciv is 3.2%, and Nifty Realty was 1.2%. So these are few sectors which gave closing about 1%, and other sectors, other Nifty sectors, they also gave closing, good closing, but it might be less than 1%, but they all were in green only today. If we talk about the global markets, like Asian market and European markets, Asian market were flat, and European market at the time of Indian market closing was in the upward move only, it was in green only. And if we talk about the FI and DI data, both did buying only today. FI bought 510 crores thing, and this DI bought 649 crores thing. So that is why this also shows a very positive bullish day today. Now I'll share time frame with you. Tomorrow on Monday, it will be highly volatile, so please write down the time frame. 9:15 to 10 o'clock, it will be a mixed trend, no very good movement, but yeah, up and down, mixed trend. 10 o'clock to 11:15, it is a dip is there, negative time frame is there. 11:15 to 12:30, again mixed trend is there. 12:30 to 1:30, again it will try to cover, it will try to bounce, that is positive trend is there. 1:30 to 2:30, again you can see a dip, and 2:30 to 3:30, again it will be a positive note. Whichever trend is dominant, that will have some effect later on also. Like suppose if I tell 12:30 to 1:30 it's positive time frame, and from 1:30 to 2:30 it's negative, so it's not that कि 1:30 एकदम sharp the things will change. There are chances if the positiveness is not very strong, so in 1:30 12:30 time frame it is rising, and 1:30, as 1:30 timing is approaching, it starts descending. So you can just, when you'll see the technical charts, now you will be able to correlate the time frame with the technicals also. So that is why I always say in my video, please consult, like please go through with your astro and technical both whenever you want to take a good trade in the market. Okay. Now next is we will be discussing, like I'll be telling you about the range. For Nifty, the range is 15,300 to 14,900, and for Bank Nifty the range is 35,000 to 34,000. Okay, and if we talk about the coming week, how it will be. So as it gave a closing above the 15,175, so the chances as per technicals also it is indicating it will be approaching towards the upper end only. But same time ki market is volatile, you need to be prepared about, like for both the sides. If the things goes upward, then well and good. If the things get reversed what you thought, then also you need to have a solution for it. Okay, now like everyone is telling SBI, but other banking sector, in banking, Bank Nifty, other banks were also there who performed really well. And if you'll see the gainers today, they were all from the financial sector only. If we talk about the other thing, the HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, they performed really well. If you'll see, HDFC Bank alone were like contributed 100 points to the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that is like very good significance. Like if you'll see, it was like the results are for SBI or HDFC. Such a good movement HDFC and HDFC Bank were giving today. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv was not that active, but you can see they have given good movements in the entire month. So that is why the good strong movement was not there, but yeah, it was positive. For the coming week, we can expect good movement in the fertilizer sector, and in the as steel sector is also trying to come back. So these two sectors you can just keep a watch on that. Okay, so this was the like for Monday we have this much for you. On Saturday, Sunday I'll try to plan some more videos on this, so you can get an idea like how the things are going on and all. So we can plan new videos also. I'm planning to start my education series also, like for like Nifty, Bank Nifty, so it's fine, options and everything is fine, but I just want to start it from the very basic, how I learn. I am being from the science background, how I learned everything, like from like step 1 I was not even very much aware how the market runs and all. So everything I correlated, my teacher taught me, and I just correlated the things, and now the things are going on very fine. So that in that manner I just want to start a series. So I'll be just uploading the videos like on daily basis maybe, or on an alternate basis. Like the video will not be much longer, it will be like maybe 15-20 minutes, or maybe half an hour maximum if I am trying to explain something. So please, if you are watch the series regularly, that will be good for you. And whatever feedbacks are there, please share with me on my WhatsApp number. I am not starting my YouTube channel message thing, because busy with other things also, so I might miss the like seeing your message on the YouTube. So that is why I'm just telling you, if you'll WhatsApp me, So phone is like handy. It will be like I go through the WhatsApp on like really or like now and then. So if you send me message on my WhatsApp, that will be more convenient to me. Okay, whatever positive, negative, whatever is your feedback, you can share it on my you like WhatsApp only. Okay, if for premium group in live market, I also like we have a team, we give trades. So if you are interested for that, you can inquire for that. Newsletter is there, technical courses are there, astrology courses are there. Right now they are full, so we'll be starting in the October next batch. So if you are interested for that, you can inquire for that also. And for financial kundli, for technical courses, you can inquire on my WhatsApp only. Thank you so much, and hope you have a great day on Monday, and happy weekend to you all. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.